Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve user onboarding with WalkMe, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WalkMe account. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the Create button. Click on Create to start a new WalkMe project. Choose the type of content you want to create, such as a walkthrough or a smart tip. For a walkthrough, select Walkthrough from the options available. You'll be taken to a new screen where you can input the URL for the application you want to enhance. After entering the URL, click Next to proceed. Now, select the elements on the page that you want to guide users through. Use the Add Step button to create a new step in your walkthrough. Customize the text for each step to make it informative and helpful. Incorporate visual elements such as images or videos to enhance understanding. Ensure that the navigation between steps is intuitive and seamless. Preview your walkthrough to see how it will appear to end users. Make necessary adjustments based on your preview. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your walkthrough live. Monitor user engagement using WalkMe analytics tools to assess effectiveness. Gather feedback from users to refine and improve the onboarding experience. Continue to iterate on your walkthrough as needed for ongoing enhancement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.